And best of all, I got to see how lavash is traditionally made.
Oh, look at how beautiful that is. Traditional Armenian lavash. We are making it in the only way to make it. It's an Armenian oven that's like a tandoori. So she has her dough already. The next step, she puts it on this big pillow-like thing, stretches it out, gets it as thin as she can. I don't know how they do that without putting holes in it. And then watch this. This is the best part, putting it in the oven. Here we go. Slaps it on the side of the oven. And it stays there for what, maybe 20 seconds? And this is how they make traditional Armenian lavash. And trust me, it's delicious. Woo! Hot lavash. Amazing. Bravo!